Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Elenia and this is Softskill.Atelier. This is my official introduction video for this channel. Softskill.Atelier is for you to learn more about making and designing your own clothes, appreciating the craft, and learning how to make clothes that you actually want to wear. Because looking at fashion and wearing it is great, but have you ever tried making fashion? I'm a trained fashion designer and me personally, I have decided that I'd rather share my skills and knowledge with you than working for the fashion industry. And here are 4 reasons why. First of all, competition. If you want to work in the fashion industry, you either have to be okay with being pushed over, or you are a very competitive person that is bold enough to claim their spot without feeling bad if they leave someone behind. I realized early that I'm neither of these 2 things and that I would probably get depressed in this world fairly quickly. The fashion world can be very glamorous from the outside, but it's definitely cruel behind the scenes. Second, beauty standards. The fashion world has a very specific beauty ideal, which most of us, including myself, cannot live up to. It's just not possible for multiple reasons. Even though the fashion industry tries to be more diverse and more inclusive, there's still that huge influence which gives most of us that uncomfortable feeling of just not being able to fulfill the standards to be part of the fashion world. And that kind of sucks. Third, cheap labor. A huge part of the fashion industry is producing the garments in poor countries, where the labor is cheap and the worker have terrible work and living conditions. That's what makes it possible for us to get a €5 t-shirt from the store. And we're not even really questioning the price and the condition the t-shirt is made in. And most of us don't understand that even the cheapest piece of garment is made by human hands. I feel there's a general lack of appreciation for the craft of making fashion, and the oversaturated market full of cheap clothes is actually not really helping to understand the real value of making clothes. Fourth, environmental problems. The fashion industry is one of the biggest environmental polluters in the world. To produce textiles, we need tons and tons of chemicals, which are just ending up in our waters and in our grounds. There's also not a very good recycling system for textiles in place, so most of our thrown away garments are ending up in a landfill. But nevertheless, we all have the desire to be seen and to express our inner selves through our outside. And fashion is kind of the right tool for that. So we cannot just give up on fashion. We kind of need fashion in our lives. But what we can do is change the way how we consume and make fashion. With Softskill.Atelier, I want to help you guys to find your own way to deal with fashion. I'm going to show you skills and techniques so you can make clothes by yourself or alter and upcycle what is already here instead of just consuming. Being able to sew will give you the power to make things fit and look good on your body. Fashion design gives you the freedom to make whatever you need to be your true, unique self. So join me here at Softskill.Atelier, where I teach you all the skills you need to bring your fashion ideas to life, from concept to completion.